This is a beginner's guided meditation. It will only last 3 minutes. That's all you have to commit to, 3 minutes. I'll guide you through a mindful exercise, and all is asked of you is to commit to the 3 minutes. I'll ring a bell at the beginning of the 3 minutes, and all you need to do is listen for the bell. Raise your index finger when you hear it, and keep it raised for as long as you hear the bell tone. Put your finger down when you don't hear the tone anymore. Just focus on the bell tone. Raise your finger when you first hear it. Keep it up until you don't hear the tone anymore. Continue to do that for the 3 minutes of this guided meditation. You've just finished a guided meditation. If you stayed, you've been successful at meditating. A successful meditation isn't judged by what or how you thought. It only matters that you stayed with it. Go and enjoy. Come back to this as much as you'd like.